Best DIY Sauna Face Mask. Number 1. Terhop DIY Sauna Face Mask. Applying the product to the face increases the skin temperature. This maximizes nutrition for the skin by helping ingredients such as finished Betula platyphila japonica juice, birch sap, and spirulina absorb deeper into the skin. It contains 13% of salt grains so that it can optimally manage old dead skin cells and sebum without irritating the skin. It's a mask pack that helps to nourish the skin and take care of pores at once. Using it while taking a shower can help your skin absorb more. As soon as you apply it, there's an immediate thermal effect on your skin. It meets Terhop's cozy scent and gives the skin a mysterious effect like coming to a sauna in Finland.
For current prices and discount, check links in the description box.
Number 2. ZM Beauty DIY Sauna Face Mask. The facial mask is a dry compressed facial mask and no facial products are embedded in the paper. Apply for DIY skincare. You need add additional facial product into mask bowl when you use. Natural non-woven fiber do not contain chemical composition. Non-irritating, safe, comfortable for facial application. Suitable for all people, easy DIY home for facial skin care. There are 100 pieces compressed face masks in each pack, coming with a small mask bowl, a plastic stick. Each mask sheet is individually packaged, easy to carry, meet international health standards, great for travel.
For current prices and discount, check links in the description box.
Number 3. Lindo DIY Sauna Face Mask. You now have the freedom to multitask while indulging in your beauty routine. Give your thirsty skin a healthy dose of moisture by placing the Silla mask directly onto skin after applying your favorite anti-aging serum. The Silla mask prevents evaporation, allowing the serum to fully penetrate your skin. After applying your favorite facial sheet mask, simply place this silicone mask cover directly on top of the mask and secure it with the ear loops. In order to accommodate larger faces, simply cut along the ear holes with scissors. 100% food-grade silicone, this mask cover is smooth and soft to the touch. It has none of the odor typically associated with silicone products.
For current prices and discount, check links in the description box.
Number 4. Kayun Mitari DIY Sauna Face Mask. This compressed facial mask will be spread out only after being put into water, and then add nutrient solution and stick it on the face. Can be used for daily spa skin care facial mask. This compressed facial mask can add nutrients to your needs, such as milk, eggs, banana and honey, according to personal needs. Natural non-woven fiber do not contain chemical composition. Non-irritating, safe, comfortable for facial application. Suitable for all people, easy DIY home for facial skin care. 100 pieces in one package. Each mask sheet is individually packaged, easy to carry, meet international health standards, great for travel.
For current prices and discount, check links in the description box.
Number 5. Pago DIY Sauna Face Mask. These face mask skin care including 400 pieces, packed in a bag for every 100 pieces, in total 4 bags. Enough amount can meet daily use. The facial clear face mask is made of PE material, soft and comfortable, natural, no stimulation mask sheet. It can effectively block the air, increase facial heat, help open the pores, make the essence of the mask easier and faster to absorb, and make the skin smooth and moisturized. Stretchable size, our disposable plastic wrap is about 10.1 by 10.8 inches. It has strong flexibility and can be adjusted arbitrarily according to the size of your face.
For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Like, comment, subscribe our YouTube channel.